Hey, it's another Woodson Store coming to you from the Lamb Estate Law Firm, visiting with Gwenda Lamb. Today we're going to turn our attention to the topic of leaving assets to loved ones. To this point, we've kind of talked about protecting yourself and taking care of yourself, but now we turn our attention to exactly how we make sure things get to the people we want them to get to.
Exactly.
So how do we do that?
Okay, well, we get myriads of phone calls about last wills with the statement they want a simple will. So today we're going to talk about last will and testaments and trust. We use a lot of different tools in the wills and in the trust. And our first visit really is to figure out who the client is, what special situations they may face, and what financial issues they may have. And we can draft a will or a trust to specifically solve those problems.
So who needs a will?
Everybody.
Everybody. How soon should a person do a will?
That's a good question. Young people think that because they've not accumulated wealth, they don't need a will. But many young people have small children, and in the will we appoint a tutor for the children. One would not want one's precious children to end up in a contested court battle. So the tutor is a person that the parents can designate by law, and the tutor can have physical custody and financial custody of the child's assets, or those can be distributed among more than one person. Also, middle-aged persons may want to place their children's assets into a trust well beyond the time the child turns 18. I had a client come in and he had a personal long-term friend, so we placed his two children's property into a trust with a provision that they were to meet with that financial money manager for tutoring to learn how to manage those assets after the time they would be distributed. So by the time the trust terminated, those children had some investment skills and money management skills.
If someone's interested in more information about a will or a trust, how do they get to you?
Call us at 448-1533, and we are glad to help.
And that wraps up today's edition of Woodson Store. Once again, the Lamb Estate Law Firm.